Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Let's talk about aging, but not in a way that makes you cringe. We're focusing on feeling strong and capable even as we get older. Between the ages of 65 and 80, many people experience some degree of muscle loss. It's a natural part of aging, but it doesn't have to control your life. This loss of muscle mass can impact your strength, balance, and overall independence. The good news is that it's manageable. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful habits that can help you maintain and even regain muscle strength as you age. We're talking about practical tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, it's never too late to prioritize your health. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with the MVP of muscle health resistance training. Don't let the name intimidate you. It's just a fancy way of saying exercises that challenge your muscles. Think about lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even just using your own body weight for exercises like squats and push-ups. Now, here's why resistance training is so crucial as we age. It's not just about building muscle mass, it's about improving bone density, boosting circulation, and even sharpening cognitive function. That's right, working those muscles can actually help keep your brain sharp. And the best part, you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to reap the benefits. Start with simple exercises at home, gradually increasing the intensity as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 sessions of resistance training per week to see real, lasting results. I get it. Starting a new exercise routine can feel daunting, especially if you're new to it or haven't been active in a while. But here's the secret. You don't have to go from zero to hero overnight. In fact, starting small is the smartest and safest approach. Begin by incorporating simple muscle-based movements into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Think about doing a few sets of squats while you wait for your coffee to brew, or some wall push-ups while watching TV. The key is to listen to your body and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements in your strength, balance, and confidence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. The journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. You know the saying, you are what you eat? Well, it's especially true when it comes to muscle health. Think of your body as a machine. It needs the right fuel to function at its best. A balanced diet is crucial for providing your muscles with the nutrients they need to repair, recover, and grow stronger. Focus on incorporating protein-rich foods into your meals. Think lean meats, fish, beans, lentils, eggs, and Greek yogurt. But don't stop there. Your muscles also need a healthy dose of carbohydrates for energy and essential vitamins and minerals found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Remember, a well-nourished body is better equipped to handle the demands of exercise and maintain muscle mass. So, fuel up wisely and give your muscles the support they need to thrive. Now, this habit might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how easy it is to slip into a sedentary lifestyle, especially as we age. But here's the thing. Staying active doesn't have to mean intense workouts every day. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can be as simple as going for a brisk walk, taking a swim, doing some gardening, or even just dancing around your living room. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your daily life. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Not only will this help maintain muscle tone and strength, but it'll also boost your mood, improve your sleep, and keep you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. We often glorify the hustle and bustle of a busy life, but here's a truth bomb. Rest is just as important as exercise when it comes to muscle health. Think about it. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. It's during this crucial downtime that your muscles rebuild and recover from the day's activities. Skimping on sleep can actually hinder your progress, leading to fatigue, muscle soreness, and even an increased risk of injury. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Remember, prioritizing sleep is prioritizing your health and well-being. So, there you have it, 5 powerful habits to combat muscle loss after 65. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. By incorporating these habits into your life, you can maintain your strength, independence, and zest for life for years to come. What are your thoughts on these habits? Have you tried any of them? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on living a healthy, vibrant life at any age. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep on moving.